So I got more than 150 subscribers in just 2 days from one short video. So if you think that from 10,000 views you get 100 subscribers, uh, you're not right, because not all the videos can get you that many subscribers. I can show you my own video. This is one of my videos, one of my short videos. It got me 7,000 views, but I got only seven subscribers, so not all the videos are same. So what I did different here is I went to a viral video. So here I went to Mr. Beast. So you can go to Mr. Beast or any other YouTubers that are huge and that have viral content, especially in short video. So I went to Mr. Beast and chose one of his videos. Let's say I choose this, and then you can go to this feature called Remix. You can click on Remix and then choose cut this video, and then you can choose the portion that you need for your video and just go to next and then create your own video. So I did that, and within 2 days I got 10,000 views and 150 subscribers. Right now it has gained 168 subscribers, and it's still getting views, as you can see here. So yeah, if you do this trick you might get more subscribers. I'm sharing this with you especially because if you are a small YouTuber, if you have just started YouTube, you know that getting to 100 subscribers is not an easy thing. Some people struggle and they don't get to 100 subscribers even in like a couple of months, or even like 5 to 6 months. This is a real struggle. So I'm sharing this trick with you so that you can do this with your own channel. Just look for a popular YouTuber, search for viral content on their YouTube shorts, and try to remix it, and then watch your subscriber grow. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel.